the armed forces of Russia Federation and Ukraine reported the front-line progress. The armed clashes occurred in some places May 29. The Russian armed forces launched a long-range air-based high-precision weaponry strike against the enemy targets at the airfields. The goal of the attack has been reached. All the assigned targets have been neutralized, said Igor Konashenkov, the Russian Federation Defense Ministry spokesperson. As a result of the strike, the AFU command posts and radar stations, as well as aircraft and munition depots have been hit. In Telegram, the series were hit at the Staro-Konstantinov airfield at Khmelnytsky. According to local authorities, at least 5 aircraft were disabled, and the runway was damaged. However, the number of affected boards may be exaggerated for the purpose of disinformation. Fire damage was also inflicted on warehouses with fuel and ammunition. The Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of Ukraine, General Valery Zaluzhny, said in an official statement May 29, "In the morning of May 29, Ukraine's air defense shoots down 11 ballistic and cruise missiles targeting Kyiv Oblast. And in the early hours of May 29, Ukraine shot down 37 from 40 cruise missiles and 29 out of 35 Shah Iran-made drones. Russia and Ukraine conflict has been lasting for 460 days. There is still no peace settlement between two sides."
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.